Circuit breakers. Good as well. Electrical equipment is off. Master, avionics master is off. Fuel selector set to both. Alright, that's good. Start normal. Alright. Mixture to rich. Cold carb heat. Battery comes on. Alright. Beacon is on. Boom, boom, boom. Don't need these. Alright. Alright, prime it. Let's prime it a little bit. Let me close this up. There we go. Alright. There we go. Good job.
Valkaria traffic radio check.
Loud and clear.
It's cool though. Let me just show you. Look at that.
Okay, traffic check 67 Foxtrot Tango.
Okay, truck number 960, back of conversation. Convoy 32, Valkaria. Some pattern work first, and then we can head out to the practice area.
Traffic check 67 Foxtrot Tango. Turning left base runway 32.
Airspeed is alive. Engines in the green. 60. Rotate. Bring it up to level 5. 75. Okay, traffic number 960, about 2 back is hard to gonna get that.
Okay, traffic 92 uniform turning left base runway 32. Okay. And runway 32. Okay. Okay, traffic 92 uniform turning left crossing runway 32. Okay. Okay, traffic check 67 Foxtrot Tango turning left base runway 32. Okay, traffic. Okay, traffic 92 uniform turning left downwind runway 32. Okay.
Okay, track number 960, Quebec is clearing runway 32 by Alpha, okay? It's gorgeous out here. That's why I love flying, just for fun. It's 9:01. People are either in school in class, and I am 4,000 feet above the ground. I'm enjoying the fucking beautiful coast view. Gorgeous. And all I have to do is fly. I'm flying the plane, enjoying the view. That's like, I'm just realizing that, like, that's the dream coming true for me. And it's insane. Like, I went from thinking about it, from getting my first STEM set up at home, downloading Explain 11, then getting Microsoft SIM, and here I am. I am literally flying a plane by myself over the coast. And I'm enjoying every single bit of it. This is This is, I mean, this is literally like, this is a dream coming true.
Are you guys taking that way to the play?
And that's the only thing I can say. That's literally the dream coming true. Okay, I'm on focus. There we go. Let's start turn. There we go. Gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. You can see the water change. It's so cool. Drop L2 here. So. Oh my god, look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous.
Kami try to go via 4 by feet. We will join it. Let's wait for runway 1. When it's up.
Woo, baby, that was smooth, like fucking baby butt. Alright, let's speed taxi out of here.
Traffic, check 67 Foxtrot Tango, on base for runway 32, bucket your traffic.